And you're on.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tom Walla, and I'll be your instructor for Advanced Ecological Methods and Lab this semester of Spring 2021, the COVID spring. Sure, we're ready to do this. In fact, ecology is probably the best class in the world to be taking during a COVID semester because outside is where we want to be. So pretty much every lab that we do in this class is going to be outside. That means we'll start outside early. It's going to be cold. You might want to dress appropriately on a day like today. Could be chilly. So as it's snowing, as our first week comes in here, let's get ready to do those outside labs. I want to tell you the format of the course so that you can be prepared. The class has 2 lecture periods a week, Tuesday and Thursday, and each of those lecture periods will be divided into half of the class. So the first half of the class will visit on the Tuesday, and the second half of the class will visit on the Thursday. This is not terribly different from how I've taught this class before. The lecture class will focus largely on the methods, which are statistical methods of design and analysis of ecological experiments. I know, sounds like fun, right? Well, it's kind of fun. It's going to involve Monte Carlo simulations, working in Excel, using your own computer. You have to have a laptop. If you don't have one, I can probably find one for you that you can borrow. But you're going to need that. Typically, I do the first day of lecturing and showing you how to do the class project, and then on the second day, we usually do like a help session sort of thing. So you're not really missing out on much more class time than you would have had in a regular semester. So that's awesome. The second part is that the labs will be you going out and collecting data to use those analysis methods that you learned in the lecture to analyze the data from lab and to write lab reports. And so we will be going to the field pretty much every lab period that you are not at home working on your lab reports. So you will have to organize your own transportation. I can't drive a van for you, too many people in the van, but I will design these labs in such a way that if you cannot go for transportation reasons, I will make sure that you are able to achieve all the goals of the work aside from the actual data collection part from the convenience of your home, whether you be in quarantine or otherwise. So I look forward to seeing you all this semester. I'm understanding about the COVID situation for many of you, and we're doing our best to make a great class for you and to learn a ton about how to use inferential statistics in ecology, how to design experiments, how to collect data in the field, how to write a paper, and all those great things. So I look forward to seeing you shortly.